Looking to level up your fishing game and dominate the waters like a true pro in 2026? Top 5 best fishing kayaks on Amazon to fish like a pro in 2026. From ultra-stable designs to feature-packed performance machines, these kayaks are built to give you the ultimate fishing advantage. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned angler, there is something here for everyone. The product links are in the description below, so be sure to check them out and let us get started with the video. At number 1, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 Kayak stands out as a top-tier choice for anglers who want stability, comfort, and pro-level fishing performance in 2026. Built with a tunnel hull design, this kayak delivers exceptional stability on the water, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced fishermen. The wide and flat deck platform allows you to stand confidently while casting or reeling in your catch, reducing the risk of slipping or losing balance during intense moments. Comfort is another strong point thanks to the Go Boost seating system, which provides an elevated seating position for better visibility and includes a cushioned EVA seat pad along with practical under-seat storage. This kayak is fully equipped with premium fishing features, including multiple storage areas such as front and rear tank wells, 2 bottle holders, and integrated rigging tracks for accessories. It also includes 3 flush mount rod holders and paddle or rod tie downs, giving you complete control and convenience while fishing. Safety is built into its core with added flotation inside the hull to meet high standards and a maximum weight capacity of 375 pounds for reliable performance. Despite its rugged construction, it remains lightweight and easy to transport, making it ideal for solo trips. Overall, the Pelican Catch Mode 110 Kayak is a powerful, well-balanced option designed to help you fish like a true professional. Taking the second spot is the Yaks Raptor Fishing Kayak, a modern and highly innovative option designed for anglers who want convenience, portability, and hands-free performance on the water. This kayak features a smooth and efficient fin drive system that allows you to glide quietly and effortlessly, making it ideal for stealth fishing in shallow areas. Weighing only 11 pounds, the pedal drive is gentle on the knees and does not easily get tangled in weeds, giving you a major advantage when navigating tricky fishing spots while keeping your hands free for casting and reeling in. One of the standout features of this kayak is its modular design, which allows for quick and easy assembly in just 4 simple steps. After your trip, it can be disassembled just as easily, making transportation and storage incredibly convenient. Each section is lightweight and equipped with built-in handles, allowing even individuals with limited strength or back concerns to carry it comfortably. Unlike traditional kayaks, there is no need for roof racks or trailers, making it a perfect choice for urban anglers or those with limited transport options. Storage is another area where the Yaks Raptor truly excels. Its compact design allows it to fit into small apartments, closets, or even car trunks, offering a practical solution for users with limited space. Despite its lightweight and modular build, this kayak remains stable and durable on the water. Overall, the Yaks Raptor Fishing Kayak delivers a perfect blend of innovation, portability, and performance for serious anglers.
Number 3. Perception Kayaks Outlaw 11.5. Next on our list is the Perception Kayaks Outlaw 11.5, a rugged and feature-packed fishing kayak built for anglers who demand maximum space, comfort, and stability during long days on the water. Designed with a fishing-first approach, this sit-on-top kayak offers an impressive weight capacity of 425 pounds, making it perfect for carrying all your essential gear without compromising performance. Its wide and stable platform ensures confidence, whether you are seated or standing, allowing you to focus entirely on your fishing experience. One of the standout advantages of the Outlaw 11.5 is its exceptional storage capability. It features a large rear tank well and a spacious front storage area, giving you plenty of room for tackle boxes, coolers, crates, and personal items. The integrated tackle trays keep your most used gear within arm's reach, helping you stay organized and efficient while out on the water. This level of storage flexibility makes it ideal for both short fishing trips and extended adventures. Comfort is equally impressive thanks to the unique fold-away frame seat that provides excellent support during long hours of fishing. The elevated seating position improves visibility and reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused and comfortable throughout your journey. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced angler, this adventure-ready kayak delivers a perfect balance of durability, storage, and fishing-focused features, making it a dependable choice for serious fishing enthusiasts in 2026. At number 4, the Pelican Sentinel 100X proves that you do not need a large or heavy kayak to enjoy a powerful and efficient fishing experience. Designed for anglers who value portability and simplicity, this compact fishing kayak measures under 10 feet in length, making it incredibly easy to store, transport, and maneuver in tight waterways. Weighing just around 44 pounds and equipped with molded-in side-carrying handles, it is an excellent choice for solo users who want a hassle-free setup without needing extra assistance. Despite its lightweight build, the Sentinel 100X does not compromise on comfort. It features the advanced Ergo Lounge seating system, which includes extra thick cushioning along with a high and wide padded backrest. This thoughtful design ensures that you can spend long hours on the water without discomfort, making it ideal for extended fishing sessions. The elevated support also improves posture and reduces fatigue, allowing you to stay focused on your catch. Storage and functionality are also well addressed in this kayak. The ExoPack removable storage compartment is a standout feature, allowing you to organize your gear at home and simply place it into the kayak once you reach the water. It's perfect for beginners and casual anglers who want a lightweight, easy-to-use fishing kayak that still delivers essential features for a successful day on the water in 2026. Finally, at number 5, the Lifetime Tamarack Fishing Kayak offers an excellent balance of durability, performance, and value, making it a reliable choice for anglers stepping into the world of kayak fishing in 2026. Built from high-density polyethylene with ultraviolet protection, this kayak is designed to withstand harsh outdoor conditions while maintaining long-lasting strength and color. Its stable, flat-bottom design provides excellent balance on the water, giving beginners the confidence they need while also supporting more experienced users during active fishing sessions. Comfort and usability are key highlights of this kayak. It features an adjustable podded seat back and seat pad, ensuring a comfortable ride even during extended trips. The multiple footrest positions make it suitable for riders of different sizes, allowing for a more customized and ergonomic paddling experience. This thoughtful design helps reduce fatigue and keeps you focused on fishing rather than discomfort. When fishing functionality is well addressed, in this kayak it equips with 2 flush-mounted rod holders and 1 top-mount rod holder, giving you flexibility in managing your fishing setup. It also includes a paddle with a convenient paddle keeper secured by shock cords, so you can easily store it when your hands are busy. Storage is practical and efficient, with 2 6-inch compartments located in the rear and center, perfect for keeping your essential gear organized and within reach. Overall, the Lifetime Tamarack Fishing Kayak delivers dependable performance, solid features, and great value for anglers looking to fish like a pro in 2026.